Are you ready to experience the epitome of smartphone innovations? The Xiaomi 13 Ultra is here, and it would not be wrong to say that it's giving every flagship a run for their money. Stay tuned to find out how this beast takes smartphone photography to the next level and why it might just be the king of smartphones in 2023. Hey, welcome back to Tech Pineapple, the ultimate destination for everything tech. Today, we are reviewing the highly anticipated Xiaomi 13 Ultra, a device that's breaking barriers and setting new standards. Launched in June 2023, this flagship phone is already being touted as the game changer. With the market flooded with countless options, Xiaomi is here with a bang, challenging the very definition of innovation. Now, Xiaomi has always been known for offering excellent hardware at competitive prices, but with the 13 Ultra, they've aimed to surpass even the most high-end competitors. It's packed with the top-of-the-line specs including the LTPO AMOLED display, a camera setup that could make a DSLR camera jealous, and an unbeatable performance backed by the Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 chipset. So, is this the ultimate smartphone that we've all been waiting for? Does it justify the buzz that it's created? Let's dive in, break down its features, and give you an in-depth analysis to help you decide if this is the next smartphone for you. When it comes to design, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra looks and feels very high-end. The phone features an eco-leather back that not only gives it a unique texture, but also a luxurious feel. It is framed by a sturdy aluminum, giving it a robust build. But what's even more impressive is its IP68 dust and water-resistant rating. This ensures that the device can survive accidental splashes and even submersion in water for up to 30 minutes. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra's weight and dimensions are pretty well balanced, weighing in at 227 grams and having dimension of 163.2 into 74.6 into 9.1 millimeters. It feels substantial in the hand. The Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on the front adds to the durability while keeping the display safe from scratches. The Xiaomi 13 features a magnificent 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 1 billion colors at 120Hz refresh rate. The Dolby Vision and the HDR10 Plus is a visual treat. It also boasts an impressive 1300 nits brightness, which makes outdoor usage a breeze. The resolution of 1440 into 3200 pixels ensures that everything looks razor sharp. Whether you're gaming or binge watching your favorite shows, this display is one of the best in the business. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra is a beast. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 chipset, it ensures that everything runs buttery smooth. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, this phone can handle it all with ease. What's even more impressive is the memory options with up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage and 16 GB of RAM. There is no task too big for this behemoth. Plus, the Android 13 and the MIUI 14, you get a seamless and feature-rich software experience. Now, let's talk about the crown jewel of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, its cameras. The quad camera setup in the rear is nothing short of photography marvel, with the 450 megapixel cameras including a wide lens, a periscope telephoto lens, a telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide lens. This setup redefines smartphone photography. The pictures are incredibly detailed, and the zoom capabilities are exceptional. The video recording features are just as impressive, with up to 8K recording at 24 FPS and a plethora of professional-grade features. Xiaomi has made sure to back up this powerhouse with a 5000 mAh battery, but that's not all. It sports 90-watt wire fast charging that can juice up the phone from 0 to 100% in just 35 minutes. Additionally, it sports 50-watt wireless charging and 10-watt reverse wireless charging. The battery life is ample for a day's worth of heavy usage, ensuring you never have to reach for your charger during the day. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 13 is a groundbreaking device that pushes the envelope in every aspect. With a stellar display, unmatched performance, revolutionary camera setup, it's a frontrunner for the best smartphones of 2023. So, what do you think? Will you consider it as your next phone? Let us know by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you've enjoyed this review and found it helpful. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Tech Pineapple for the latest in tech reviews and news. We'll see you guys in the next one.